Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got the Mustang again today. Last video we got all the headers on. Ran it open headers, sound pretty good. Today we are going to modify the original exhaust system. My cats on the original system are blown out, so they're rattling really bad. So we're going to go ahead and delete them. We're going to get rid of them. So I'm going to do a little bit of chopping and welding on this thing. I'll show you exactly what we got. So obviously that goes into the headers. You got your cats, runs back to the H-pipe, and they're Flowmasters. I don't know if they're 44s. I don't know if they're 40s. I honestly don't have a clue. They came with a car when I bought it. But we're going to chop it up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the cats off here and here. These welds were crap, and actually there's you can see a hole right there in the weld. So we're going to cut this off. We're going to cut it off here, and pretty much we're going to come back here and cut these off, move these back to where this is, and then put some turn downs on it. I know these are two totally different colors. It's all the auto parts store had. We'll make it work, no biggie. So that's what we're fixing to do. Hopefully it'll sound good. I want to put some kind of exhaust system on it. I don't want it to be blistering loud and have the popping and cracking, but other than that, headers look good. They're turning like a gold color, which looks pretty cool. They were a silver chrome, but they're turning in kind of like a gold. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna get the welder out, get the sawzall out, start cutting on this thing, and get it put on and see what it sounds like. You're starting to scare me.
I'm scared myself.
What are you even doing? You didn't even cut it all the way.
See that or lose my finger?
Is it plastic?
Yeah, it's plastic.
Oh, I thought it was metal.
Like that's gonna cut through metal.
I mean, it does kind of look sharp.
Look sharp?
A little bit, I mean.
Yeah, I need a new one.
That was simple.
Yes, sir.
That's what the grinder's for. I was gonna say that's not the straightest cut, but try to come off this one pretty straight.
Yeah, picking up good vibration.
So I guess I'll have to cut them off right there. Maybe.
Yeah, I'd probably get close as there as you could.
Yeah.
Then we can grind those old welds off.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking too.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. It's literally like barely hanging on there.
Let's just kick it.
I must be getting into a weld or something. Yeah. See, it's not cutting so easy.
You can probably see inside of it now. Oh yeah.
She gone completely.
Blew right out. You can see in there?
Probably not.
You can see a little bit.
Oh.
Look at you being perfect. Oh. I know what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no comb in it.
Oh yeah. See? You can see it.
So, as the only reason that we're doing this is if you can listen, the comb and the catalytic converter decided it wanted to blow out. So that's why we're doing this, and we're going to try to make it sound a little bit better.
I was gonna say, give it a quick rip.
So I've come to find out that I know nothing about welding. It's a learning progress. It don't look good. It looks like crap, but that's okay. Robbie's working on the hood, trying to get the hood aligned because it was not aligned for the longest. So he's working on that. But anyway, I'm going to show you the welds. Don't make fun of me. I already know it's going to look like crap, but you know, it's learning. Okay. So there we are. That is some focus. Yeah, that's. I had to put a little rough angle in there. Not ideal when it comes to welds, but you know, we're learning. We're doing everything ourselves. That's what we wanted to do. So anyway, we're gonna get this put back on the car. The other one's already on. It was a lot easier. Did you get it? No. So we're gonna get this put back on the car, and so close. I don't know. So we're gonna get this put back on the car, and then try it, see what it sounds like. Well, guys, I'm a little upset. Tried doing my thing that I showed you at the beginning of the video. Didn't work. Wasn't gonna work. Got some experience to try to weld. Had some fun with it, but overall didn't work good. As of right now, I just run an extra pipe off of it with some down pipes. Sounds good. I don't know. Maybe too loud for me though. So maybe tomorrow, if I have the money, I may take it to somebody and see what he can do with it. See if he can hook me up with something. But other than that, as of now, I'm signing off. Tired, sweaty. Robbie did clean his garage, just so you know. So
Still needs a little more TLC.
unfortunately, I'm ending it kind of in a bad, sad note because I was upset. I wanted to get the exhaust. I wanted to be able to do the exhaust. But overall, sometimes you got to leave things to professionals. I don't know. May take another crack at it, but other than that, I'm done. Signing off. Catch y'all later.